The petitioners challenged a notification under Section 3A of the National Highways Act 1956 for land acquisition, contending that the acquisition was not for a public purpose and sought compensation for the acquired land and a small remaining portion, treating it as dry land rather than paddy land. The land was classified as paddy land in revenue records but was converted before the Kerala Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2008. The petitioner's application for removal from the Paddy Land Data Bank was allowed, but the revenue records were not updated. The court had previously directed the National Highways Authority of India to consider acquiring the remaining land or realigning the acquisition to make the remaining land usable. The court disposed of the writ petition, directing the competent authority under Section 3G of the National Highways Act 1956 to determine compensation by considering the land as dryland in light of its removal from the Paddy Land Data Bank, which declared it was not paddy land as of the enactment of the 2008 Act. The authority was instructed to conduct a comprehensive inquiry, not solely relying on revenue record entries but also considering the land's physical nature, prior use, locality, infrastructure, and other relevant factors as per M. Abubakar v. Union of India and State of Kerala v. Mary John. The petitioners were permitted to raise all contentions and produce documents during the inquiry with a mandatory opportunity for a hearing. The court also directed the issuance of a fresh notification for acquiring the additional land, with compensation to be determined based on the same parameters. Key observations. The competent authority under Section 3G is not bound solely by revenue record classifications and must assess the market value based on a comprehensive inquiry, including the land's actual use and characteristics. Removal of land from the Paddy Land Data Bank under the 2008 Act is a declaration that it was not paddy land at the time of the Act's enactment, impacting compensation determination. The court emphasized fairness in acquisition proceedings, ensuring the petitioner's right to a hearing and the inclusion of remaining land to prevent rendering it unusable.